Alrighty, in this video I want to do what I discussed in the previous one and kind of refactor how it locks and unlocks. It should be relatively straightforward. So we're going to go to our door class here and have a simple, let's do a script. Let's just start kind of rewriting a bit. So I want to have a blueprint property, edit default, or edit anywhere. I want to have a b start locked. And I still want to have actually the bool be, I want to have it named be locked. Let's go to the door.cpp, be locked equals false, and be start locked equals true by default. Or better yet, be locked equals be start locked, so they're the same for the by default, whatever I change it in here. If we change this value inside of a blueprint, it's not going to be the same. So these are not going to be synced. We have to set that and begin play. So that's how we're going to do that. So be locked equals be start locked. So that way they are the same when, it actually spawns up. And then let's go down here to our interact. So if it's be locked, I got confused. So if be locked and it has a linked key. So if it's locked and it has a linked key, that's assigned to it. We want to be able to unlock it. So we set be locked equal false. Okay. So blah blah blah, we do that check. If the door is locked and we have a linked key assigned, we check and see if the character has the linked key. If it does, we unlock the door and we will toggle it open. And if this fails, we are currently setting it to open by default. So here we have our open and close, so we can have a simple check. So if, or let's see, else if, I want to check if it is not locked. So let's see, actually, can I change this up in any way to make it cleaner? I believe I can. Let's do a check. So we'll do a separate one. Oops. So if be locked, I want to do something. So if the door is locked, if we have a linked key, we check through and check if it's unlocked. If it is, we will go through and unlock it. Otherwise, no. Let's think. No, because I'm going to be doing the exact same check. So, screw it. We'll just kind of keep it the same way. Else if, not what I'm going to do there. Else if the door is unlocked, then we be open equals the opposite of be open. In which case we trigger what? Yes, this logic here. So we don't have the onRep anymore, do we? No, we do not. It's been a little while since I looked at the project, so slightly confused in some cases. I'm going to close down the editor, and I think we are pretty much good to go. So let's give this another try. Okay, let's try with this one. So start locked. I do not have a linked key, and then this one, start locked. So let's see. Try to open the top one. Can't open. Try to open the bottom. Cannot open. That still gets opened by the trigger. Let's change this one to start locked as false. We can open it freely and close it. Okay. So now we have that option just to start it locked, because currently it has no linked key or anything like that. And I just really don't want to be able to forcibly open it, but this one I do. So obviously we might have some kind of clue in that bottom drawer, which might indicate, just a simple note or something like that. Like, I don't know, weight is important. Might indicate that there's a trigger pad that controls it. I don't know. So that is good to go. We have that basic, locking dealio set up. We'll probably find a bug with it later on because I haven't thought about it really a whole lot. And the door, let's confirm that it does unlock with a door. So in order to use it, I have to move you in so I can grab it like so. Okay, that still works. Make sure it doesn't open without a key. That is good to go. And I'd say we're good to go. Okay. So we have that. And that is going to be it for this video. Yeah, because that's what I wanted to do. Anyhow, if you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon down in the description below, where I have a Team Deathmatch series just for Patrons where we create Team Deathmatch in Unreal Engine with C++, along with a couple of other features like Call of Duty style respawns, weapon customization, and all that fun stuff. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord that's also linked down below, and I'll try to help you out. So, I'll see you in the next video.